Alright, so I'm just gonna say this. If any of y'all out there doing anything fucking stupid, rethink what y'all doing, man. My bro was just fucking murdered by doing stupid ass shit. Left a fucking 10-year-old girl and a 1-year-old son. So if any of y'all out there doing anything fucking stupid, robbing houses or jacking people's cars, it ain't worth it. No matter if you got anybody or not, it ain't worth it, because you're gonna lose yourself. Losing yourself ain't worth it. It's not. Trust me. I don't know what to say. You know, I know life is hard, but it ain't worth it. It's just not. My mans was killed over fucking money, though. So just chill out on what y'all doing, because nobody else needs to die over this shit. It ain't worth it. I know in your head you might think it is, because I've been through that shit. But it's not. Y'all don't gotta believe me, but I'm just trying to watch out for y'all. Because in reality, it's not worth it. And to Alice, thanks for the video, because it really did make me smile. There's so much shit that is going on in my life right now that just fucks everything up. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I don't know anymore. But and that would be my pick. Don't ask. I don't know. Just seriously though, like, think about what you're doing and the people you know before you go and do that shit. And if you're gonna do it anyway, make sure you trust the fucking people you do it with. My man's got killed by his fucking cousin, bro. So just watch y'all back and make sure if you're gonna do it, just be safe, alright? We don't need no more deaths over this stupid ass shit.